Hello dear friends, you can integrate Gemini into Google Messages app to experience AI-powered chat. For this you need to simply update Google Messages app to the latest version. Here is how to integrate Gemini to Google Messages app on Android. Tap on Play Store icon. Type Google Messages in the search. Select Google Messages app from the result. Tap on Update. Let the update install. Open the app. If the device supports Gemini, it will be automatically added to Google Messages. Once integrated, you will get a prompt, respond to give permission. Now tap on Start Chat. Tap on Gemini. Thanks friends for watching the video.